Okay, so my friends, I've got new tools, so I'm going to unpack it one by one, and let's see what I have here. Okay, guys, the first one is a half-inch torque wrench. Okay, and this is the make of it. So let's open it and see how it looks. And this tools that you will see was donated by my brother-in-law to me, Dr. Rudy Mans. He is my brother-in-law. He was so friendly to send me this as a surprise. So let's open it up. I'm very glad for this. So this is now how it can work. I just quickly want to see how far can it go. Okay, it got all the ranges. So we work in a Newton meter. That is what we use, and it go up to 410 Newton meters, and the others is foot pounds, Newton meters, kilogram meters, and so forth. So it's fairly a strong one, and from as little as 5 pounds I see, and so on, 10 Newton meter. But let's see how it look. This is a very sturdy one that you turn here. So I'm very happy, guys, very happy for this, because I never had one, and I do a lot of jobs where I use the farmer type of torque with my feeling, which is always correct, but now I can do it professionally. Okay, let's put this there and take the next tool. Okay, guys, and this tool, I've checked it out already, this one, and this is very special, very special, because I've done this jobs already, and it is a real pain to do without this job. A job that took me sometimes 3 hours will now took me 10 minutes. And let me show you what it is. Maybe you can guess. Does that look familiar for you? Those clever guys will know it is some kind of puller. And this is a CV joint extracting tool. This is now cool, guys. I'm so glad for this. You can imagine if you have to take a CV joint out on the shaft without wiggle it so that it release from the gearbox. That is normally the problem. So now this is make the job so easy, and it's very strong and thick. You can see how thick it is, and the shaft go here through, drive shaft. Okay, so very nice, very glad for this. Okay, and here's my next tool, and I've also never had one of this, and it go hand in hand with this tool. I think so. If it is, I will be very glad. So this is a tool that you use to take off and put on that special clamps that normally go with CV joints. It's actually two tools. Let me just get it out. Okay, guys, this tool, you can see it look like this, and I guess if you look there, it is now in a closed position, and there it is open, if you can see. So my guess is that clamps that I'm talking about, it always have that one side left. I guess you feed that in here somewhere, and then when you do that, it break it off. I think so. But here is another shaft that came from the side. So I think it is maybe for different, the inner and the outer clamps maybe, or it holds something in place while you do this. I have no idea. I have to check it out when I remove one of that clamps. But it's definitely something to do with that clamps, and I believe this is the removal one, because this one is definitely the one that you put it on. If you look at the nose part, you can see it bring it close together. I normally take I take a side cutter and cramp it on this side and then a little bit on that side, and to get it close up. So I think this is exactly what it is. It crimp it close so that it grab onto the rubber. So this is actually a very handy tool. I never had one, and now I've got it. So great, excellent. Okay, let's put it there. If you have the right tools, you can do any job. This is the baseline. Okay, now the last one. Okay guys, I just want to mention every tool, the torque wrench, the extractor of the CV joint itself, the cramping tool and the removal tool, and this is all in their own respective fantastic tools. You can't say this one is better than the other one. This set, it looked like a small socket set. It is in a sense, but you will see what it is. And I never had some of this, and it will be very, very, very handy. Actually a must to have if you work on mechanical stuff. So the guys of you might know this. This is a nut and bolt extracting tool socket set. You can see how it is shaped. So what I believe is, say for instance a bolt or a nut more or less this size, it will grab it. If you can see, it have spiral type, what do you call it? Spiral. It is spiraled, and then inside there is also some places where it can grab onto it. Something I want to show you. I think this one, it's more visible. You can see inside. It will somewhere, it will grab onto your problem bolt or nut and get it out. So you can see it was strange for me. I first check on the sizes and you can look at the strange sizes like 15.5 and 9.5 and 12.7, 6.35 millimeter. So it is in the metric world, it is very strange sizes for me, but that is now typical to grab bolts and nuts. That is sorry, that is wear down to extract it. So this is a great tool, and this is just a drive hex socket adapter to grab some smaller ones. Very good, excellent. So I never tried it out, and but I need some of this in the past bolts and nuts that I can't get loose, and then I go in with a grinder and hammers and chisels and whatever to get the stuff out, and now I have the tools to do that. Okay guys, so this is all my tools, which I'm so happy for. And then also next video, you see there the tote there underneath the cables, and that two suitcases, can you say? There's some tools in that I also get from my brother's son that we need to review. Okay my friends, see you on the next one, and I hope you like my new tools. Bye bye.